It is time to take your camping experiences to the next level. Today's video is going to talk about 35 mind-blowing camping inventions available on Amazon. All these products have been made keeping in view not only the practicality of using them, but also safety aspects and comfort that comes from using them. No matter if you are a seasoned camper or a beginner, all these products are going to change everything for you. Number 1. AlphaGo the Cube. AlphaGo the Cube is an inflatable camping tent of the future that aims to bring ease and luxury into your camping experience. It takes just 4 minutes to inflate using an electronic turbo pump or 5 to 7 minutes by manual inflation. This tent has been designed in a way that different cube units can be joined together, providing ample space to accommodate groups for camping or even luxurious glamping experiences. Its sturdy dual-layer TPU airframe structure makes it puncture-proof and wind-resistant at speeds of up to 56 km per hour. The tent itself has around 10.5 meters per square of interior space, with a height of more than 2 meters, allowing for easy standing inside the tent. It also comes with large circular windows for ventilation and protection from rain. Number 2. Uncharted Supply Rapid Raft. The Uncharted Supply Rapid Raft is an all-purpose, highly functional inflatable product designed for both adventurers and people who want to be prepared for emergencies. With its utility, it will suit you perfectly for fishing, backpacking, camping, hunting, as well as flood preparation. It allows for fast water passage and easy use since it is inflated in a minute or two via manual inflation. There is a one-way valve that lets you control the air pressure and hence the rigidity and buoyancy of your raft. Deflation happens equally quickly for storage convenience. It weighs only 3 pounds 13 an ounce, is lightweight but capable of supporting 400 pounds. It is made of durable laminated nylon with welded seams and can serve as your shelter as well as sleeping pad. Number 3. Polar Bird Raft 260. Polar Bird Raft 260 is a multifunctional inflatable platform that can be utilized for recreational purposes on the water surface, as well as for camping activities and fishing. Thanks to its external sizes, 262 by 262 centimeters, and wide cockpit, 190 by 190 centimeters, it provides space enough to sit 4 people and bears loads weighing up to 600 kilograms. It also features high-pressure drop-stitch inflatable flooring, making it sturdy enough even for standing on it. It weighs about 14.75 kilograms, 27.5 kilograms when assembled. It can serve as a stable basis for swimming and sunbathing, as well as a place for camping in combination with a tent and fishing. Additionally, it is capable of being motorized, engines up to 3 horsepower, and towed. Number 4. RinseKit Pro Portable Shower. The RinseKit Pro Portable Shower is an innovative and efficient device that helps maintain cleanliness outside the home. Powered by a battery-operated system, it produces steady spraying of 50 pounds per square inch without using any pumps or hoses. Featuring 3.5 gallons of storage, it offers uninterrupted operation for 7.5 minutes, along with several types of spray such as jet, mist, flat, center, and shower. Featuring top fill capability, it enables you to refill it easily with water from any source. Additionally, it includes a 12-volt charging system that keeps you active wherever you go. Made with UV-protected materials, it is compatible with water between 33 degrees Fahrenheit to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Ideal for outdoor purposes and priced at $224.95. Number 5. FlexTail Evo Icer. The FlexTail Evo Icer is a compact and portable ice maker which can be used outdoors. In terms of performance, it gives excellent results as it creates 12 cubes of ice within 9 minutes, with further batches coming in only 5 minutes. The capacity of the removable basket allows the creation of 1.26 pounds of bullet-shaped ice. This ice maker will suit those people who love outdoor activities such as camping or going for short road trips. There are several modes available, namely Quick Mode, Eco Mode, and Cup Mode, each offering unique benefits. It weighs about 20 pounds and has a fold-down handle that facilitates carrying. The price tag is $549. Number 6. Lantern Classic Mini. Lantern Classic Mini is a small and adaptable camping lantern that aims to be both convenient and functional. With a weight of 14.64 ounces, it provides variable illumination, with brightness ranging between 5 and 300 lumens through its stepless dimming function, allowing you to adjust it according to your needs. Moreover, it has an integrated locking system that protects against unintended operation when stored. It can be charged through USB Type-C in approximately 5 hours and runs continuously for up to 60 hours, serving as a portable charger for other devices. Furthermore, it has a handy handle that comes with a buckle, enabling you to hold it easily or hang it on your tent or tree. Number 7. Ignik Firecan Deluxe. Ignik Firecan Deluxe is a portable, propane-powered grill and fire pit, which is ideal for camping, beach trips, tailgating, or backyard parties where wood-burning campfires are prohibited. Its robust construction features a stainless steel body shaped like a military ammo can, which makes it suitable for a variety of outdoor events. Setup is easy with foldable legs and a fast-detaching 5-foot fuel line that attaches quickly to most propane canisters. In addition, it comes with a detachable grill top that facilitates easy food preparation outdoors. Mesh sides increase heat output and improve flame visibility, and a flame adjuster allows you to regulate your fire according to preference. Number 8. Alcos Cookware Set. An efficient camping cookware set for those who love preparing their meals outdoors is the Alox Cookware Set. It contains a 1.7-liter pot, a 3-liter pot, and 0.8-liter kettle and an 8-inch frying pan, all contained in one bag for easy transportation. It is light since it weighs only 3.3 pounds and will not give you any problems while hiking or camping. Food-grade hard anodized aluminum material makes this product last for many years. The cookware comes with foldable and heat-resistant handles for a safe and convenient experience when cooking. There are different dishes that can be prepared using the product. It is available at a price of $63.99. Number 9. Metmo Pocket Driver. The Metmo Pocket Driver is an elite-level high-torque ratchet screwdriver meant to pack some serious power into a compact size. The body is made from grade 5 titanium and consists of precisely engineered parts. Even though this ratchet screwdriver is small and compact, capable of fitting in one's pocket, it delivers a torque of 17 Newton meters, which is enough for various purposes. This tool is made using hardened tool steel and other high-tension materials to make sure that every component will be durable and long-lasting. Metmo Pocket Driver comes with the classic 1/4-inch hex bit, along with the magnetic socket, and has a smooth and attractive titanium surface. Number 10. Snow Peak Takib. The Snow Peak Takib Fire and Grill is a high-quality fire grill designed by Japanese architects to provide heat and food simultaneously. The grill is made of stainless steel that guarantees its durability and timeless look. Featuring the dimensions of 17.7 inches by 17.9 inches by 12 inches with the weight of 32 pounds, the grill will be an excellent choice for a group of people. Thanks to the modular and packable design, the grill may be easily packed into a carrying case and transported without any issues. It is possible to add some additional components, including a charcoal grate, to turn the grill into a cooking device. The Snow Peak Takib Fire and Grill costs $349.95. Number 11. Bindle Beach Day. Bindle Beach Day is a thoughtful and environmentally conscious choice when looking for an outdoor blanket upgrade. With its 100% recycled nylon material, it provides a practical and stylish alternative that is sustainable without compromising on quality. Measuring 7 feet by 7 feet, this oversized blanket can seat up to 4 people comfortably, making it ideal for beach outings, picnics, camping, or music concerts. With features such as sandproof, water-resistant, and fast-drying materials, cleaning is done effortlessly through a simple shake. Highly portable, the blanket is lightweight and can be compressed into its own included pouch with ease. It comes with extras such as a zipper pocket, corner stakes, and a bottle opener. With a price tag of only $16.99, this is indeed an ideal purchase. Number 12. BioLite EcoZoom Versa. The BioLite EcoZoom Versa is a robust and efficient portable rocket stove that has been designed for varied purposes of outdoor cooking. As the name suggests, it runs on charcoal, wood, twigs, and many more kinds of biofuels, thus making it fuel tank independent. Its cylindrical body makes it extremely stable, while its heat-proof handle allows you to carry the stove around safely. It is provided with a 3-prong cast iron stove, which provides you with options for various utensils from small pots to large Dutch ovens. Its insulated body and vertical fire pit help reduce the amount of fuel by 60% and smoke by 70%. Number 13. Leatherman Free K2. The Leatherman Free K2 is a slim and multifunctional multi-tool that combines style and functionality for use both at home and outdoors. With a 3.3-inch 420HC stainless steel knife blade, this multi-tool is sure to satisfy your cutting needs. This device measures only 4.5 inches long when closed, making it highly portable and easy to store. It weighs only 4.9 ounces, which makes the multi-tool very light and robust. The anodized aluminum build of the handle adds extra reliability to the device and provides a great hold on the tool. You can open packages with this multi-tool thanks to a built-in pry tool and a package opener. The other useful features include an awl, a bottle opener, and a set of screwdrivers. Number 14. Top Knives Yukon Hawk. Yukon Hawk is a very sturdy, fixed-blade tactical knife and survival axe intended for use in the most rigorous outdoor applications. It possesses a total length of 15 inches and a blade measuring 4.87 inches with an impressive 1095 carbon steel construction, RC 56-58. This gives it outstanding retention of sharpness and durability. Its ergonomic design is highlighted by the use of a SureTouch G10 handle with rubber layers, which provide great stability regardless of moisture. It is made with a total weight of 31.1 ounces, including 35.6 ounces sheath weight. It comes with a black leather 2-piece sheath equipped with a belt loop. The flat spine provides hammer capabilities when driving stakes, while the round tang enables choking up when carving. It can be used for camping, survival, or fieldwork purposes, and is sold for $340. Number 15. Purisu Plus Water Bottle. Purisu Plus is a sophisticated reusable water bottle and portable water purifier for outdoor activities and emergencies. It consists of a unique triple filtration layer composed of hollow fiber membrane, activated carbon fiber, and fabric pre-filter, capable of eliminating more than 99.99% of bacteria such as E. coli and Salmonella, as well as viruses, odors, metal impurities, and any other contaminants. Instead of a filter system, which many filter bottles include, Purisu Plus employs a manual water drawing mechanism via a 1-meter-long hose attachment, enabling users to extract water from hard-to-access or even shallow sources. The purified water goes into a 410-milliliter internal storage container, ensuring its safety from any possible contamination. Each filter provides up to 1,000 liters of safe drinking water. Thank you for watching our collection of 35 mind-blowing camping gadgets available on Amazon. What did you think of the most innovative product? Feel free to tell us in the comments section below. Like, share, and subscribe to be notified about all future videos. And don't forget to click that notification bell icon to stay updated.